Today we're heading to Bath. We're going to historic city of Bath. I'm with Mohashi. Mohashi is right here. Yeah, my favorite person, the person who showed me everything. Mohashi is my main man, is my second man. We just been talking about how to create a channel, so just look forward. We're going to Bath right now. That's where we're going. We're in the car. We're heading to Bath right now. We're going to live stream shortly. And if you're watching the channel, please follow Mohashi, because this guy is genius. You'll learn about how to shoot B-roll, how to do editing. So today we're just going to head to Bath right now. We're going to drive. That's it. Nothing really. So yeah,
nothing much.
Nothing much.
Cool. So.
Hello. Welcome back to Ghana Fan Tube. Guess where I am? I'm in city of Bath. The Bath, the historic Roman city. Look, city of Bath. This amazing, gorgeous city is in the UK. Look, let me just do 360 so I can see where I am. I'm in city of Bath. That's where I am right now. What are we going to do today? We're going to explore this gorgeous town. I'm going to explore that bridge, Pulteney Bridge. Then behind me here, the famous Bath Abbey. I'm going to go front so that I can see how beautiful this cathedral actually look like. And then in front of me here, I'm going to explore this garden here all day. So just do me a little favor. Please do subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you just joined the channel, just do us a little favor again. Give us a little bit comment. Let us know what made you join the channel today. The time right now is 25 minutes past 12. And I'm shooting in 5K 30 frames per second, and I set my angle, my lens to linear, because I want horizon leveling to be perfect today. It's just something I thought I changed today, because I normally shoot in wide, but I just thought I'd shoot in different angle today. Yeah, so I'm going to explore. I'll probably hop on that bus later to show you guys how beautiful this town look like. All right? And also, to get into the cathedral, it costs you £10. £10, that's how much it costs you. For kids, for children, it costs them £5. Yes, that's how much it costs you to get in there. If you're religious, you want to, or somebody into history, you want to go in there, it costs you just £10 to get into the cathedral. So what I'm going to do, I'm just walking over the bridge. I want to show you this Pulteney Bridge. It's amazing. It's just something about it. It's like, whenever I'm watching this water flowing, just like some energy flowing through my veins. Yeah, so today I have so much energy. I had a lot of coffee, so I have enough energy in my system to show you this gorgeous city. I might probably hop onto this bus later. It costs £17 to join this bus. What we're going to do, I'll be on this bus later to show you the whole Bath today. So just stay with me. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? It's pretty amazing. Just stay on. I want to get you from different angle. I want to show you how beautiful this place is. This is Bath. This is the city of Bath. This city is so gorgeous. It's so lush. It's everything. You know, I don't know. I'm not exaggerating. The city is amazing. I'm going to flip the camera for you to see how beautiful this city is. And then on my right, voila! Look at that. Look at that. Is that not amazing? Guys, this is gorgeous. This is pretty amazing. You can't get this view from anywhere else. You only get this view from Bath. And this is the Pulteney Bridge and Weir. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look, those people are having fun. You can get that bus. It's just amazing. It's so mesmerizing. I don't know. I'm so excited. Hi guys, so I just met these lovely people. They come from Oxford. They're visiting Bath today. Are you guys having a nice time? Yeah. It's amazing. You know what I'm doing is I'm just showing the whole globe how beautiful this town is. My goal is to hit 1 million one day. Okay. People say you can't do it, but I've seen people do it. So I don't know, with my GoPro and my camera, I think anything is possible. We're going to travel the whole world. We're going to go China, we're going to go Africa, everywhere. And I'm going to show the people that there's so many places people need to see. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank you very much. Thank you.